Mode of negotiation. There are two ways of negotiating a negotiable instrument. One is that of negotiation by delivery, and the other one is that of negotiation by endorsement and delivery. Let's talk about negotiation by delivery. A promissory note, bill of exchange, or check payable to the bearer can be negotiated by delivery. It does not require the signature of the transferor. Negotiation by endorsement and delivery. A promissory note, bill of exchange, or check payable to order can be negotiated by the holder by endorsement and delivery. The holder must sign his name on the instrument for negotiation and deliver it to the transferee. Assignment. When the holder of a promissory note, bill of exchange, or check transfers the right by a written or registered document, it is called assignment. The person who transfers his right to recover the payment of a debt is called an assigner, and the person to whom such rights are transferred is called an assignee. Who may negotiate? Every maker, drawer, payee, or endorsee, where there are several makers, drawers, payee, endorsees, all of them jointly may negotiate the instrument, provided the negotiability provided that the negotiability of such instrument has not been restricted in an instrument. Only the lawful possessor can negotiate the instrument. Duration of negotiability. The negotiable instruments can be negotiated by any person other than the maker, drawer, or acceptor until payment. However, the maker or drawer or acceptor can negotiate it until maturity. Endorsement. When the maker or holder of a negotiable instrument signs the same, otherwise than as such maker, for the purpose of negotiation, on the back or face thereof, or a slip of paper annexed thereto, or so signs for the same purpose, a stamped paper intended to be completed as negotiable instrument, he is said to endorse the same, and is called an endorser. The process of transferring the right of an instrument is called endorsement. An endorsement means signing the negotiable instrument on the back or face on a slip paper called a longee, attached to it for the purpose of negotiation. The person making the endorsement is called the endorser. The person to whom the endorsement is endorsed is called an endorsee. Well, what are the essentials of a valid endorsement? Well, the valid endorsement carries few essentials such as it must be signed by the endorser, it must be made by the maker or the holder of the instrument, it must be on the back or face of the instrument or on a slip of the paper attached. It must be made in ink and not by lead pencil or by rubber stamp. If the endorser is illiterate, he may endorse by fixing his thumb mark. An endorsement by fixing thumb mark must be attested by somebody. It must be made to transfer the ownership of instrument to a third person. It must be completed by the delivery of the instrument. Effect of endorsement. When a negotiable instrument is endorsed and delivered to the endorser, the ownership of the instrument and the right of further negotiation passes to the endorsee. He gets a right to sue in his own name to all prior parties. What are the kinds of endorsement? Black endorsement. When an endorser signs the back of an instrument and does not specify the name of endorsee, it is called black endorsement. It makes the instrument payable to the bearer. It is also called general endorsement. We'll continue with the series of tutorial in our next video.